Hello, little friends! Today in Mommy's Star School, we are going to make a Hobbit house. So first, I'm gonna start with the door and we are going to start with a circle. And now we can do the line to open the doors. Great! You can do a little handles. And then lines. So it looks like wooden doors. Great! Now we are going to do the ground. So we're going to draw a few bushes and they look a little bit like clouds. So we're going to do one on each sides of the doors. Then let's do a little curve here. And another one in the other side. And we are going to do the steps. First, one line, two lines, three lines. And now, little lines going downwards, another line. Little lines going downwards, another line. Little line going downwards and another line. Like three rectangles. Now all the way inwards. That way we connect them. Great! Now we are going to continue with a line that is going to tell us where the roof's going. Around here, a happy face downwards. Then you can go and do another little curve downwards. And the opposite in the other side. Yay! And we can do a little line going down to close it and another one in the other side. So now we can do the columns that sustain the roof of the house. These columns can go this way, one line, two lines. One line and two lines. And then we have a little beam. It's made of wood also. Like so. Then we can have another line that shows where the structure of the roof goes. Just go with the flow. This house is really much fun and it has a lot of curves. Now let's go with the windows. One circle, two circles. Now we do a little frame in the window to hold the glass. Now we can also have a lot of bushes coming this way. Remember, like small clouds. And the other way. And now, the cool part from the Hobbit house is a roof that is like a mountain and that you can go on top of it to play. Wow! Now, let's close it this way. And the other side as well. Just have a lot of fun using your imagination. Then on the grass, we can do another little bush or grass. Okay, now on top of it, it can have a few little trees or plants. You can add any plant that you love or flowers. You're doing a great job. Awesome! then it wouldn't be so cute without the cutie eyes. So cutie eyes are one circle, two circle, and one bigger circle inside and a smaller one inside, bigger and smaller. Fill it in. Great! Okay, let's do a cutie smile. What else would you like to put more on the Hobbit house? A few little trees or plants. If you want, you can put some friends. Time to go around with a thicker marker. Time to color. Green. Darker green. Red. Blue. Light brown. Brown. Bravo! And you are done drawing your Hobbit house. And remember, subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you know where more Mommy's Art School fun videos are coming. Ciao, ciao!